again. Today I'm in the kitchen with my little one, Luana. You want to say hi, Lulu? Say hi. Hi. We're making a salad, a fresh summer salad with all of her favorite ingredients. So she had to be in this video. She wanted to cook with me. Right now she's prepping the mango. So we have mangoes, corn, and edamame, fresh herbs, Herbamare, and we're gonna make this in a few minutes. Very easy. Let's start. Uh-oh. It's okay, Lulu.
So Luana insisted on cutting the mangoes herself. She is used to this. Of course, I am supervising her, but she is prepping now 2 fresh mangoes that we're cutting into cubes. I love having my children help me in the kitchen. I really believe it makes them want to eat healthy and learn how to cook recipes, which I think is very important down the line. So anyways, continuing on with the recipe, we added some mangoes, the 2 cups of mangoes, 2 cups of corn, 2 cups of edamame, and these were actually all frozen. I just simply rinsed them and let them unthaw on the counter for a few minutes, and it does the job, so it's perfect. So she's finishing by adding the rest of the mangoes and then half a red onion. I'm opening a can of black beans that I'm going to add to this. I'm going to rinse them and then add them to the salad. You can use whatever bean, garbanzo, red kidney beans. I like the taste and also the color of the black beans with the rest of the salad. I think it's really nice. Then we're adding some fresh cilantro. You could add a little bit or a lot, whatever you feel like. Since the kids were having this, I decided not to add too much. They do like it, but sometimes the flavor can really be present and overpower the rest. So anyways, we added about half a cup of cilantro leaves, then the juice of 1 lemon. It's very simple vinaigrette. There's nothing too fancy about it. There's the flavors all in the fresh ingredients we put inside, all ready from the salad. So a drizzle of olive oil, and of course the Herbamare original. I wanted to add the spicy, then I thought, oh, I'll just add the original because Lena was really wanting to eat the salad. I don't think the spicy would have been too spicy for her, but it can work too. I think it can really add some extra punch of flavor. And then you saw me add about a teaspoon of dried basil from the Herbaterra seasonings. Okay, she's so funny. So she really wanted to mix this, but it makes a mess. It's okay. You have to have the patience with the kids in the kitchen. There you go. That's our final result, and it tastes absolutely amazing and fresh.